What's up, everybody? It's Stephen Williams, founder and president of the CreditRepairShop.com, and this is going to be a short video. Hope everybody is doing well, and it looks like this is going to be an extended period of time for all of us with this situation. What I have here is, and I want to be careful when I'm giving news like this because I don't want people to start thinking negative, to start thinking that everything is just going to go down, that there's no solution. I give you this information just to let you know what's going on. But what I want you to always do is to think of solutions, and that's what I'm going to talk about after I tell it to you.
New visitor.
I got the first alert from one bank that's went ahead and they're doing a set of charge-offs on auto loans. But I think the crazy thing about this one is I had saw an advertisement that had said if you wanted to give your car back, I forget which auto dealer it was. It wasn't a dealer, manufacturer, and they had said you can get deferment or you could actually just bring the car back to them. And it looks like that this is potentially what is happening. 399 cars. I mean, it's a low amount for when you consider nationwide, but to happen on the 1st of the month is something that's very interesting. So what I want people to understand, and I'm going to just keep saying it over and over just in case you're new to my channel, is that you can get a deferment for your auto loan. It depends on which loan company you're with. You can get 3 or 6 months. You never know what they would offer to you right now. No interest on most of them, where they're not going to let the interest add up while you're not making payments. No marks on your credit for late payments. No nothing. But you have to do it before you fall behind. So like today is the 1st. If your payment is due today, you need to call them today and do it. Because when you go in default, it's going to be a lot harder to get a deferment. They're going to say, well, we already gave you a deferment because you defaulted on the payment. It just flips the whole situation in their favor. So you need to do that for any consumer debt that you have. You need to get on the phone right now and get deferments. Write it on a sheet of paper, get the deferments. In the program that I have available, and the link is below this video, is I tell you what to do in detail, just in case, because some people are just afraid to do it. Some people are just not, don't have the confidence, and that's why I made that program. That program will hold your hand and show you step by step what you got to do, from who to call, from number one, how to get to the right department. So they'll play with you and pretend like these departments don't exist. Get to the right department, what to say, how to document it, how to protect your credit, and then who to also send that to for added backup. And then that you keep that information, so if anything comes up in the future, you have this information. Because that's what happened in 2008. They made all these promises. People did deferments, and some of the companies went back on their word. I'm showing you how you can avoid that situation. But what you can do, for those of you who didn't watch my other video, is you need to call the companies. You can get the information for who put the who's running the you can get the information from your bill, or you can get the information from your credit reports on who is actually in charge of, number one, putting the information on your credit reports, and who you would call to get to the right department to do the deferment. You can find all of that out from the bill, or you can find it out from your credit report. Next thing is you need to contact and talk to them and see what all options are available. Every company is going to be different. Some may say you get interest rate deferment. Some may say you can defer the payments, but you have to pay interest. It's going to add up. You don't have to pay it now, but it's going to keep adding up. Some is deferring everything because of the situation that's going on now. They may have you do what's called a hardship statement to tell them what you're going through. It would be hard that, that would just be the documented because they know everyone is going through stuff right now. And then you need to document who you talked to, what they said, what they offered. Make sure that they're not going to put anything on your credit report. So you need to document that information so you have it just in case something comes up. You need to do that to protect yourself. If you do that, then you can stack up as much money as possible to pay necessities. And when you get your check from the government for the stimulus, put that up and just cruise until all of this is over with. But basically what you need to do, you need to just have money available to take care of the necessities until this is over. Without losing your automobile, without losing your home, without losing access to credit with your credit cards, and all that other, any other consumer debt that you have. So when this is all over, you don't want to be in a bad position where you're trying to play catch up. For you that don't know what a deferment is, a deferment does not add up the payments and then when everything goes back to normal, you got to make all of those payments. No. It's a pause in payments, and then when that date comes, you just start making the payments as if you never missed a payment. So please take action on that. Don't wait. Don't get yourself into a bad situation. Now is the time to think about solutions. Now is the time to understand what's going on in our country, the world really, and put together solutions for you to be able to move forward. Right now is the time that you can actually make a pivot in your life, do something different, start a business or study up on starting a business and then get ready to start that business when this is all said and done. So I'll be ending the video here. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please share it. Post your comments. If you want to get my program, the link is below here. You can click it. I invite you to get it. It's only $39.95. And I guarantee if you follow what I tell you to do step by step, if you have a mortgage and you're paying $1,000 a month or $1,500 a month, you're going to save all of that. That's well worth paying $39.95. And I really appreciate everyone that has gotten the program. Promise me that when you get the program, you'll put it into action so you'll be protected and you will have as much money put up so you don't run into any problems. Alright, this is Stephen Williams, founder and president of the CreditRepairShop.com. Thank you, and until next time.